Receivable in Statement of Financial Position. At 1 July 20X7, a company's allowance for receivables was $12,000. At 30 June 20X8, trade receivables amounted to $209,500. It was decided to write off $18,000 of these debts and adjust the allowance for receivables to $15,000. What are the final amounts for inclusion in the company's statement of financial position at 30 June 2028? Answer: trade receivables equals $209,500 minus $18,000 equals $191,500. Allowance for receivables equals $15,000. Net balance equals $191,500 minus $15,000 equals $176,500.